I've been so fucking sneezy, I don't even know what's going on. I just got home. It's like 4 a.m. Excuse me. Sneezing triples, apparently. It's only triples, and it's been like this, like for quite some time, and I'm thinking about posting more regularly. Like, I've been more active on Kick recently, and oh, excuse me. As I said, I've been more recently on Kick, and I think I'm gonna upload some more videos the next few days because my allergies have been acting up. But most of the time I've been excuse me. Most of the time I've been a cold, so there is this problem, I cannot record. But I think I will record more frequently at the evening. Excuse me, at the evening of the day, because that's when my allergies get really worse, and that's actually the point where I go offline, because it's kind of annoying in a talk, not gonna lie, but I think it's actually